So again, everyone, let me give you a brief introduction of our main host for today. His name is Arthur Flores Jr., and he's a certified Six Sigma Black Belt of Sigma Philippines and an innovation director. He passed the board exam and became a registered nurse in 2010. During his corporate stint, he helped in the success of many local and overseas companies through his process improvement and digital transformation projects. He's a music lover and a former rhythm a local band, and he's committed in promoting innovation. He authored the first Filipino guidebook in design sprint, How to Guarantee Success with Design Sprint. Today, he's focusing on moving the Philippines to be the next innovation center by teaching Lean Six Sigma and Design Sprint whilst managing his family's very successful Quantifying Pharmacy. Let us all welcome the program director of the School of Design Sprint, the sprinting Mr. Arthur Flores Jr.
Us walk you through about what is design sprint, so you could understand him better later. So design is actually being used as an innovation strategy, okay, in companies. And some proof behind that, some science behind it as well. A study was done by Design Management Institute. A 2014 assessment was done by them. And they noticed that actually the success rate for innovation dramatically improves when you employ design principle. Not only design sprint, you have design thinking, you have UX, diba? They've listed all the companies who are practicing the design methodology. Yeah, and they've noticed that actually these companies outperform their competitors by over 200%. These companies are using design methodologies. What is really design and sprint? So let me break down the word for you. I like how Steve Jobs have defined it. Diba? It's not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how everything works. Okay, famous Steve Jobs is actually a strong advocate of design. Not only the facade, not only the screen or the phone, what do you call this, facade itself, or anything that you can see, but actually everything in it, software, hardware, functionality, everything, that's design. Alright? Meaning when you say design, everything in it. Diba? Kaya nga may sinasabi rin, architectural design. Okay? Meaning pag gumawa ka nun, hindi lang yung layout. Diba? But everything in it for the building. So same thing in design. So when you talk about innovation and you have design, that means everything about that product or service or action items or solutions, everything in it. Okay, so sprint, the other term that we have, sprint, in layman's term, diba, run at full speed over a short distance. Now, I like how it is being defined in product development. When you use the term sprint in product development, it pertains to a set period of time during which specific work has to be completed and made ready for review. Meaning, not only you have a plan, but that plan will be tested. You've created something so that you can test it with your actual customers. Okay? Oops. With your actual customers. So merging the meaning, design sprint, okay, that's why the sprint itself, the sprint word itself is being used into other methodologies, diba? Agile sprint, diba? You have design sprint, product sprint, innovation sprint. Kasi yun yung meaning niya. Meaning dapat may idea ka and then na-test mo yung idea na yun with your customers. So yung design sprint is a business strategy for innovation. It uses behavior science and also employs design thinking. Okay, minanggit ko siya kanina. What makes it different versus design thinking, yes, it uses the principle of design thinking, but because of the word sprint, look at the definition below, it's a 4-day process for answering critical business questions. And this came from Google themselves, diba? 4-day process, meaning in 4 days, you've thought of an idea, not only thought of an idea, but also tested that idea to your target or intended recipient or customer, right? So the question now is, how will this help you, right? I've been defining sprint, talking about design sprint. How would this benefit you? Let's say you are working, diba? Siyempre, most of us are working in a corporate or has our own business. Every one of us would definitely have an output. Whatever your output is, report, solutions, product, service, software, audits, diba? Whatever. We were hired for a purpose by our company, or we have a business for a purpose. We have an output. Diba? We have a product or a service that we offer to our intended customer. And that output goes to that intended customer. Whether internal customer or external, yung binibentahan mo talaga, pwedeng internal, yung boss mo, colleagues mo, depende kung kanino man pupunta yung ginawa mong output. We have several outputs at work. Diba? Wherever that goes to. Now, the challenge, diba, in corporate or at workplace is you have an output and that goes to an intended customer. However, most of the time, what happens is that there's a gap. There's a gap. Hindi gusto ng customer mo, kaya nga may revisions na nangyayari, di ba? Revisions, or mas malubha, kung nagbebenta ka ng product or service, walang bibili ng product or service mo, di ba? Buti sana kung internally revisions lang yung mangyayari. Right? Because of this output gap, it comes from what we call non-marketable idea. Meaning, hindi naman sa hindi maganda yung idea mo, but it doesn't mean that your idea doesn't work, but it's just that that idea doesn't appeal to your intended customer. Diba? It's like telling a story to someone, but they don't get it. Okay? It's not that your story is bad, it's just that the other party doesn't really understand what your story is all about. So your idea, your output is like that. And what Design Sprint does is eliminate this gap and turns your non-marketable idea into a marketable idea. So whatever you have in your head, in your mind, diba, it bridges that gap so they can clearly understand it. You don't have to go through revisions anymore. Or you would know what they are looking for. Maybe hindi mo na kailangan i-fit yung idea mo, but rather, alam mo na kung anong gusto nila. So the first output or second output pa lang, okay na. Diba? Hindi ka na papalpak. So that's what Design Sprint does. So what's next? Diba? What's next would be, of course, to introduce our speaker, okay, or guest for today. PJ, or Paul John Domingo, you can call him PJ, is a certified product development innovator, diba? Nonetheless, by School of Design Sprint. He's also currently an iteration manager and scrum master of an international software company offering HR and payroll system. His specialization includes user experience design, so he knows UX, project management, also does PM, diba? Business management, Java development, and of course, he uses Google Design Sprint. And as far as I know, he's currently also taking his Masteral, diba? He's also taking his MBA and a lot more things. But I don't maubos yung oras ko kaka-introduce sa kanya. So,